What can I help you with?
Does Fairfax County offer tax relief for renters? If so, can you tell me more about it?
Yes. If you or someone you know is 65 or older, or permanently and totally disabled, you may qualify for the Tax Relief for Renters program in Fairfax County. Applicants applying as permanently and totally disabled, and any relatives residing in the dwelling who are permanently and totally disabled, must provide certification and the date the disability began from one of the following: certification from the Veterans Administration or Railroad Retirement Board, certification by the Social Security Administration. Disabled applicants may also provide 2 affidavits signed by 2 doctors who are either licensed to practice medicine in Virginia or military officers on active duty who practice medicine with the United States Armed Forces. To qualify for the program, the gross income from all sources of the applicant and their relatives residing in the dwelling may not exceed $22,000. Applicants who are permanently and totally disabled can also exclude the first $7,500 of their income. They can also exclude $6,500 of the income of relatives residing in the home, other than their spouse. There is no deduction for a relative whose income is less than $6,500. Total combined net assets of the applicant and the applicant's spouse who reside in the dwelling may not exceed $75,000. The tax relief for renters total is based upon the percent of gross income paid for the rent above 30% for a dwelling in the county during the grant year. The applicants will provide the applicable financial documentation to their situation as depicted on the application. First-time applicants have until December 31st to file for the year that tax relief is being requested. Returning applicants must file between January 1st and May 1st for the year that they are requesting relief. In situations of hardship, a returning applicant may file no later than December 31st if the late filing was at no fault of the applicant. For more information about tax relief programs or to download the tax relief application, go to fairfaxcounty.gov/taxes/relief or call the Department of Tax Administration at 703-222-8234. Did this answer your question?
Yes, it did. Thank you.
Goodbye.